guys, how are you all doing? So I made this post, community post, जहाँ पे I mentioned कि I was going through a lot July में. I had many procedures, I am under a lot of meds and I had a proper surgery. So I got many of you wishing for good health. So much love. And I also had many of you curious कि मुझे हुआ क्या था. तो आई थॉट कि लेट मी मेक अ वीडियो क्योंकि देर आर मैनी पीपल हु आर अनलाइक मी, क्योंकि मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि ऐसा भी कुछ होता है, लाइक देर इज़ अ डिजीज़ ऐसा. सो आई थॉट लेट आई मेक अ वीडियो सो दैट मैनी पीपल गेट्स टू नो. And as I stay in West Bengal, so I went to Kolkata and my entire treatment was done in Medica Hospital. And they were nice to me, they were pretty good to me. So what happened is a long huge story and I'll add this clip snippets यहाँ पे wherever we could shoot we did. तो मतलब I did not, I was really irritated at that moment and I told my mother कि যেখানেই পারবে shoot করে নেবে. And she was like, how can I do that? You are going to get operated. And I was like, I don't care, I need for my vlog. And she actually did try and shoot few clips. So we have few clips, very little, but we have few clips. So I'll add that like I'll add that here and there, so you guys can see some snippets of it. But obviously we can't shoot and vlog proper aisa ki okay let's go to an operation theater. That we did not do, that is not possible. So what happened is that 1 year back I had been diagnosed with gastritis. ठीक है, तो gastritis में क्या होता है, you get inflammation inside your stomach lining. And I got done endoscopy. तो endoscopy is very irritated process. तो वहाँ पे they insert a narrow tube from your mouth, and that has camera also. So they take pictures of the inside thing lining of the stomach. And basically it happens through a bacteria or a virus and infection happens, and I got recovered. I was under medications and everything and I got recovered. And after that I thought let me go to Kolkata and let me get checked by gastroenterologist, right? Because obviously Kolkata is a city, so obviously city has better doctors than a town, Alipurduar. So I went there and that doctor asked me that okay, you get a endoscopy done and a colonoscopy done. Now the thing is that I have a issue, that is sometimes I used to get bloody stool, and I never thought it is a serious thing. I thought okay, maybe because of the weather it's happening, or maybe because I have constipation, that's why it's happening. But that wasn't the case. So I told this to the doctor and he said I have IBS and issues like stomach issues. But I did not take it seriously because colonoscopy is like they'll insert a pipe through your rectum. So it was much more worse than endoscopy, and I did not want that. At that point I was like no, I don't want to do that, I won't do it. And I was like मुझे नहीं करना, मुझे नहीं करना, I am very fit. So I said let it go, and I did not do it, and that was my biggest mistake. Okay, because now after an year when I went for colonoscopy, it was very bad because we had to cancel our train ticket because they diagnosed me with rectal ulcer. So I got rectal ulcer, and it happens mostly if you have constipation. So if you have constipation and you are seeing bloody stool, then please get it checked. No matter what is happening, what you are doing, if you have to pass your stool with too much strain and you have noticed bloody stool more than once or twice, please go get done a colonoscopy, because that might be rectal ulcer. And my rectal ulcer actually got enhanced, or it got inflamed. So that was another thing, and I had to get it done, a surgery, and that surgery had 2 sittings. So the weird part is that they asked me to get the oxygen का वो nasal में होता है ना, nose वाला, then channel वाला, everything. And my mother doesn't deal with all these things. ठीक है, she generally works deals everything, but when in hospital and stuff, when I am there, I try to deal with things. So this time they said that do all this billing and everything, and I was the one. I will share this clip here. I was the one. I was doing the billing. I was buying channel for myself, and they asked who is the patient. I was like, I am the patient. Give me the channel. They'll insert the channel on my hand only. Give it fast to me. So this was the entire thing. So this surgery was 2 sittings. So one I had July May, and the next I'll have September May, because it is a larger ulcer, so it needs 2 sittings. And then also after that I need to have fibrous food, because yes, another thing is that I was a person who never used to have anything fibrous. Like, I hate papaya, I don't like banana, I don't have apple, I don't have any kind of fruits. So I was a very picky eater, and now I am eating everything. I'm eating papaya, I'm eating banana, and that's why if you are a picky eater, please don't be. Just have all the fibrous food. If you have constipation, please eat all the fibrous food, because it's a very bad situation if you get ulcer. Because my operation was around 45 minutes, and I was unconscious for around 1.5 hour to 2 hours, because the operation was done when I was not even conscious. I have a picture of that also, so I'll attach. So this was the entire process, and as of now I'll show you. This is the entire medicine thing I have daily. So this is not the medicine cabinet. I have an entire medicine cabinet, and these are the medicines I have daily. So I am in a mess right now, but the issue is that I wanted everyone to know what rectal ulcer is and why it happens. So if again, if you have constipation, get fibrous food, eat fibrous food. And if you have constipation, and if you have ever seen bloody stool ever in your life more than once or even once, please go to a gastroenterologist, and if they suggest colonoscopy, please get it done. Don't delay it, because that might turn into a rectal ulcer, and that might turn into a laser surgery, and you don't want that. So that was the entire story of it. I hope you will know about it, and you will make yourself and everyone around you much more careful. So thank you for watching. Hit like, and also you must know I make all this content with everything, so I need extra dose of love. And also everyone saying no nazar, I also believe that no nazar, evil eye. Subscribe to the channel, hit like, and bye.